Just got in my clip-on video audio recording body camera. Features a HD 1080p. Supports Wi-Fi, contains warning lights, maximum support of a 256 gigabyte SD card. I'm gonna open it up and we'll check it out. Comes with your user manual, our USB to USB-C charging cord. Comes with a lanyard to hang the camera on. Also has a neat little tripod. You could set this thing up. Pretty cool there. Now let's take a look at what we actually wanted to look at. Yeah, pretty nice. See how big it is. Let's turn it on and see if it's got any power, and we'll video a little bit. And then when I get back to the office, we'll go over some of the features. A couple of things we'll go over real quick. Over on this side is your power button. You'll know you have power when the little green light's on. Then you have a button over on this side. Listen.
Start video recording.
We should be videoing. We'll see. I'm gonna walk around just a little bit. Actually, I'll just clip it on and we'll walk around a little bit. A little bit of an angle, but maybe it'll work. Hopefully it's coming through with all these beautiful green colors, different trees and some kind of plant. Now let's head back to the office and see if it came out. Okay, we'll go over some quick features on here. You have your microphone right here, and a little bitty hole right there. Your infrared night vision lights right here. Of course, you have your lens right here in the center. You have a red and blue warning light. You have your camera button. And they call it the trumpet, which actually is a speaker. You have your SD card slot right here, your audio key, and your video button. Of course, the power button's right over here. And then you have your Wi-Fi connection button. You can download an app on your phone and connect this to your Wi-Fi, and you can use the camera with your phone through the app. You have your USB-C charging port right here. You have the clip, hang on your shirt pocket or whatever, and it will come off if you would like. And one of the neat things, if you hadn't noticed, it has a 1/4-inch standard screw hole there, so you could attach a tripod. This is the one that came with it. Pretty handy little tool. You have your little holes right up here. You could hang your lanyard off there if you wanted to use your lanyard with it. One of the neat things I discovered on accident a while ago, let me turn this on. And if you hold this button right over here, the alarm audio key button, it turns the flash on, so in case you want to take a picture, you can hold your Wi-Fi button down and it kind of sets off a little alarm. Kind of cool. Click it once and it will just do the lights and it will mute the sound. You can click it again and turn it off. Oh, that was pretty cool. Between that and the lights for your camera. You can also format the SD card through the app on the phone as well. Of course, you could take it out and put it on your laptop or whatever and format it. But if you have the app, you can connect with your phone and format it and do all kinds of neat little things through the app. This records in 1920 by 1080 and a frame rate of 30 frames per second. So there you have it. The clip-on video audio recording body camera.